Good day everyone and welcome to Lagoon Customs and another episode of Start Working on Your Motorcycle. I'm excited to be back after a whole year of much needed time spent with my baby girl, her first year. So glad to be back again. And today we are going to work on a Yamaha DT 125, which I've got from a friend for free. And we're going to take apart the carburetor, clean it, put it back together, and put it back in. And if you remember the last time I posted a video, we were trying out a few things, trying to figure out why my Yamaha XJ750 Seco wasn't working. And that was due to I don't know, probably most likely someone who had fun with playing around with my gas tap and switching it to off. And well, what can I say? Maybe I did it myself, I don't know. Anyway, I figured out I just had to switch the gas tap back to on and my motorcycle was running again. Nevertheless, I had some valuable lessons on my way, posting all those videos, and it was fun. So let's get started with the carburetor on my Yamaha DT 125. Let's go. Alright, we are at the end of this episode. We finished the carburetor, we put it back into the motorcycle. Next up, we're gonna take off all the plastic parts which are dirty and very much need a facelift. So in my next episode, I'll show you how I get off all the plastic parts, sand them down and clean them up. And hopefully after that, I'll be able to put everything together and sell the bike. So thank you for watching this episode. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, give me some feedbacks in the comments section, and see you soon on the next episode. Peace. Hello, this is Mr. Turner, and I'm telling you now, please, like, subscribe, and if you do know something where Drew can put his machines and all these stuff here lying around, let us know, I want to move too into the new garage, Okay, have a good time, see you soon, bye bye.